In today's video, we will see the method to find out that who have blocked you on Instagram, and this video is going to be pretty interesting. So if it is your first time here or in case you can't remember, I'm Divyansh Sharan, and now without wasting any more time, let's get started. Now sometimes we get confused even if someone has deactivated their Instagram account, but for checking this out, all you will need to do is to open an incognito tab on any browser and open this link in the format instagram.com/username of that person. And if you find something like this, that the page is not available, that means the user has deactivated or deleted their Instagram account. But if you see it opening on any browser, but the account is not coming in your Instagram search, that means the user has blocked you. Now if you want to find a list of Instagram blockers directly, then you will need this third-party Instagram analytics tool, and you can download this for free from the link given below in the video's description. Here you will need to log in with your Instagram, and it's safe enough logging in here. But if you still don't trust logging in any third-party application, then you can change your password just after the operation. After logging in, it will take few minutes analyzing your account, and after that, under blocked user section, you will find list of people who have blocked you. Now for those who don't want to use this direct method, can look for any conversation with that person, and if you see it in a way like Instagram user, that means the user has either blocked you or deactivated their account. And you can find this out by the first method shown in the video. Now for some blocked accounts, you will also see a pop-up like this, user not found. Since Instagram never notifies you if someone blocks you up, so you won't have any clue until and unless you don't find that person missing on your Instagram. In recent update, even if someone has blocked you, you will find their name DP in your chats just like any normal conversation instead of showing Instagram user. Now you will only get to know when you visit their profile and you will see things missing. Also, the direct way to see the blockers through application shows you proper results if you keep it installed over time. So it will analyze your profile, followings and followers, so future blockers will be trapped in the application. So this is how you can see who have blocked you on Instagram, and I hope you all have enjoyed this video a lot. And if you guys are having any question and doubt about this video, then please make sure to drop a comment in the comment section. And if you guys like the video, then drop a like, subscribe to the channel. And with that being said, I'm Divyansh Sharan, and I will catch you in the next one.